Hello viewers, Namaste. Welcome to Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare and show you a dessert called Rava Kesari. Rava Kesari, when you hear it, sounds like a general recipe made for all the festivals and occasions, but I am going to prepare with a little twist in that. Instead of sugar, I am going to add jaggery and a glass of milk. So now let's check out the ingredients needed to make Rava Kesari. So the basic ingredients is rava. I have taken 200 gram of rava, jaggery equivalent to rava, that is 200 grams of jaggery, crushed jaggery, and 1 glass of milk. Along with milk, 3 glasses of water, and for garnishing I have taken raisins, cashew nuts and badam, and 5 to 6 cardamoms, along with 7 to 8 tablespoons of ghee. Now let's check out the preparation process. I am going to take a wide bottom pan, heat the pan. Once when the pan is heated, I am going to add four tablespoons of ghee. Rava should be well cooked with ghee. So now the ghee is hot. We will add rava to it and keep stirring occasionally. You can see the rava is completely bind with the ghee. It should be well cooked. Adjust the stove. First, initially keep it in sim. Then gradually you can increase the flame. I am not going to add any food color as I am going to add jaggery. So it will give the color of jaggery, that is a brownish color to kesari. So after 5 to 6 minutes, you can see that rava changes to light brownish color, and you will be getting the rava is cooked. Turn off the stove and transfer. I am going to transfer it to a plate. As much as possible, just take out all the rava. We are going to do in the same pan only. Again I am going to heat the pan and pour water. I am going to first take 3 glasses of water Keep this flame slow. Now you can see the water has come to boiling point. Now you have to reduce the flame. I am going to add 200 grams of jaggery, crushed jaggery. Now keep the flame high. Allow the jaggery to get dissolved in water. Now you can see here the jaggery is completely dissolved. At this point I am going to add milk, room temperature milk. Now again keep the flame in high for just 1 to 2 minutes. After that we will add rava to it. You get a nice flavor of jaggery. At that point you can add the rava. Keep the flame in sim and add rava little by little so that there will be no lumps, and keep stirring it. Then keep the flame in medium heat. Now you can see the rava is getting cooked. Keep it in sim flame completely, and after 2 to 3 minutes adjust the flame to medium heat. You can see the mixture will become thickened. Keep stirring it so that rava will not stick to the bottom of the pan. And keeping the flame in medium and again high. Reduce the flame accordingly. Now you can see the texture. It is getting thicker. I am not going to add any color. At last, just a pinch of salt I am going to add. You can see there are no lumps. The rava is combined. It is absorbing all the water and milk which we have added. I am going to add cardamom pieces. You can add even cardamom powder. You can see the smoothie texture of Rava Kesari. It has a light creamy color. Kesari has taken the color of jaggery and milk. Keep stirring. You can see the kesari will leave the sides of the pan. At this stage, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. After adding ghee, you can see the rava will leave the sides from the pan. You can check out here. It means that rava is cooked thoroughly. This is a very simple recipe. Just I have moderated with jaggery and milk. We generally don't add to kesari milk. We add sugar to it, but here I am using it along with water milk, and instead of sugar I am using jaggery. As jaggery is rich in iron and milk is a good source of calcium and protein. So this kesari, rava kesari, you can give for children during morning breakfast or even in the evening snacks period. So at this stage you can see, you get a good kesari texture, and my rava kesari had left the sides of the pan. So at this particular stage I am going to switch off the stove, and again 2 tablespoons of ghee I am going to add over it. So the final touch for kesari will be the nuts, cashew nuts and raisins I have added. Now I am going to do the serving in a bowl. See, perfect texture, perfect consistency. You can see here a smoothie texture of rava kesari. I am going to garnish it with cashew nut and raisins and badam pieces. Instead of sugar you can add jaggery and milk, so that it will be a good nutritious kesari. Everyone can love eating this taste. You can garnish it as how you wish. I am garnishing it with nuts. So the tasty and nutritious Rava Kesari is ready to serve. I hope you all liked my Rava Kesari, and I am believing that you all will try my recipe. And if you like my channel, do subscribe my channel, Priya Prem's Kitchen. Thank you and enjoy the Rava Kesari.